any of those lines arcing or sparking or any fire?
I'm not seeing any right now.
And 17, that plate is clear, valid for shutdown at 320. Copy, shut down first at 320. 217, that plate was clear, valid till December, a black Honda Civic to a
Copy. The car is over in the ditch with the power line over it. I can't tell if it is occupied. And it looks like the power box, looks like it did spark because there is black all over the place. And I can't cross over these power lines.
Somebody in there?
Doesn't look like it. Okay, I don't think there's anybody in there.
17, for clarification, did you see it spark or it looks like it did?
No, it smells like that it did go up because the power box is all black like it had sparked. It's not actively sparking right now though.
Yeah, I just saw one person. It looked like she was holding the baby walking this way, that's it.
Okay, like I said, it looks like there is a baby carrier or a car seat in here, but
Oh, I bet you that was them.
and I can't tell if there is somebody in the driver's seat or not. So I don't know if the lady and the baby. I'm just gonna check.
Hey guys, let's not do that.
What if there's somebody in there?
There's nothing we can do until we get these lines and can confirm that they're off. I don't even know if those are hot right there. I get it, but we can't. We're not gonna go anywhere near that until we can confirm everything's dead.
Okay.
400 blocks off.
Ma'am, come here. Ma'am, you were in an accident. We want to get you help. Hey, ma'am, we're worried about your kiddo.
12 acre.
6131. That's a female, matches the description of the driver. She's walking away with a little kid westbound. No obvious signs of injury. Still trying to contact them. Hey, ma'am, I need you to stop. I need you to stop. I need you to stop. You were just involved in a collision. Okay? Is the little one okay? It's a bad crash. We're getting fire here, okay?
That's what I'm trying to get her.
No, home's not going to help. I want fire and medics here, okay?
Need her home.
She can sit in the back of my car and stay nice and dry.
And quick close
Ma'am,
information.
you can't.
Discharge
Okay,
one.
listen, you can't leave an
She needs
accident.
to go home.
She needs evaluation.
She needs to go home.
Stop, okay?
She is fine. She is fine. Me?
Fire this way, please.
Do whatever you need to do
Okay,
with me.
I need you to
She's not
stop.
going in here.
Okay, then you
Except
just have to
my
stop.
house.
That's fine. Fire has to
She's
check her
not
out.
going- She's fine.
Fire's got to check her out.
She's not going
This
anywhere
isn't optional.
except for home.
She's not even responsive. I need you to
Me,
stop, okay?
Me. You do whatever
I
you
need
need
you
to
to
do
stop.
with me.
Are you okay?
Do whatever you need to do with me.
Are you okay?
She needs to go home.
Are you okay? Let's stop for a minute, okay? She needs a fire department.
No, she's fine.
Is she crying? Is
I'm
she
a
okay?
medical assistant. I know how to assess
Ma'am,
if someone is injured.
here's the
what's
thing.
going
That's
on.
your car that ran
She
into the
is
thing, right?
fine. She needs to be home.
no, we're going to wait here, okay?
No, she needs to go home.
We're gonna wait
Can
here.
we take her home and she can...
I need a fire department
whatever
to tell
you do
me.
with me, whatever.
Okay, I need a
But
fire department.
She is fine. No, I'm a
I
medical
need-
assistant. She is
Ma'am.
fine. She is fine. She's
Here's the
just
thing.
sleeping.
You've been
She's
drinking, and so I need to figure this
She
out,
needs
okay?
to go
Stop.
home. She
You
needs to go
understand?
home.
We're staying here.
She needs to go home.
6131. I got a second coming, right?
She needs
We're
to go
gonna stop.
home. She needs to go home.
I need you to stop.
No, she needs to go to my house
Yeah,
and
well,
you can
I'm
do
sorry.
whatever you need to do with me. That's fine. I don't
I need
have
it
any
back.
problems with that. That's no problem.
Okay.
Do whatever you need to do with me.
We're gonna wait here to figure that out. You hear me?
No,
We
she
are.
needs to go home to my mother. No.
Stop.
She needs to go home to my
Where's your mom live?
It's just right up the street.
What's just right up the street? Because your address is actually that way.
12 is en route to.
This
She
isn't
needs to go with
optional.
me. She needs to go with
She is going with
needs
you.
to go home.
She will go
She
with you,
needs
but
to go
you're
home.
waiting here.
She's not going anywhere except my house.
She's gonna wait here. You're gonna
No,
wait
I
here.
need you to understand. She
Don't
needs to go.
do
Please,
this, okay?
please don't. Please
I
don't.
need you
please
to
don't.
wait here.
I know how this shit ends.
Okay.
She's
You don't know
going
how this
to my
ends yet,
mom's house.
but I need you to stop.
No, I'm a medical assistant, and I can
You were in a
assess
really
her.
bad crash. You know she needs a CAT scan.
She does not need a CAT scan.
Is she injured?
is
Was she
fine.
in the car
No,
seat?
She's perfectly fine.
She's perfectly fine. I haven't seen her move or make any noise or anything.
Yeah, I know how to assess my child.
Okay, well, you're pretty intoxicated right now.
You're right,
I know
am
you are,
intoxicated.
so we're gonna figure this out.
You're right, but
So
I
that's
just
why
need
you're
her.
staying.
I need her to go home.
Who can I call
you guys
for you?
can't take her anywhere
Who
except
can I
for
call?
my mom's
You're
house.
staying here.
Please.
We'll call your mom, and
she's
she'll
right
come
up
here.
the street.
Your mom will come to us.
No.
Yes.
You guys aren't gonna take her anywhere. And
Your
I'm
mom,
telling
like
you
I
that
said, will
right
come
now.
to us, okay?
Look, I understand where this is going, and I will go willingly wherever. But my daughter is going home
So right
to
now,
my mother,
you do not get to make
which
these
is
decisions.
right up the street.
Why don't you sit in the back of my car and stay warm?
No, I need
for
you
you
to
and your
listen
daughter.
to me, please.
What's your name?
Please,
I didn't catch your name.
Please listen to me, please, because I know where this is
Say
headed.
something. We'll take a third.
And I know how to assess for
Okay.
injuries. Because that's what medical assistants do for providers
Right.
all the time.
I understand that.
So,
Right.
I check
This
her
was
out.
31, do you need priority?
Fine.
These two. Okay, and where was she at?
She was in my car.
She was in your car? Okay, was she in the car seat?
She was in the car seat.
She was in the car seat. Okay.
William, 37.
She is gonna go to your mom's.
I don't
Okay.
need her to go anywhere else except
Okay.
for my mom.
Okay, she's gonna go
I
to your
need you to
mom's.
understand that.
I do understand that. Are you listening to me?
I'm
Can you-
listening to you.
Okay,
but
we're
do
gonna
you
take
hear
her to your
me?
mom's.
And
I
are
do.
you gonna honor that?
Yes,
are you
we are
honor
gonna
that?
take her to your mom's. Here, can I
She's
hold
right
on?
at the
Can I
street.
hold on to her?
No.
Then
So
I'm
she
gonna
can-
take her to your mom's.
She can go to your mom's,
Will
but she's...
you take her?
Yes, I will
Yes.
take her,
You
but I
promise?
yes, but I have to have
You
her to do
promise?
that. Yes, I
You
promise.
promise that
Yes,
you'll take her
I
to
promise.
my mom
Yes.
and do whatever the you need to with me.
Yes, of
Just
course.
Take her.
Of course. All right, let me have her.
To my mom.
Okay, let me have her. I got her.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It's okay.
She's gonna be okay, all right?
You just got
I got all the people we need right here.
You just gotta let me have her.
Please
Look,
take her,
it's okay.
please
I'm gonna
We
take
will.
her right now.
We're taking
I'm
her to
gonna
your
take her
mom's.
right now.
All right,
take her
go
right
ahead
now,
and let
okay?
go real
Thank
quick,
you so
okay?
much.
My mom.
There
My
we
mom.
go. What's her name?
Her name is.
Okay.
Her name is Juniper. This is her
Juniper's
diaper
gonna
bag.
go. These guys are gonna
Juniper,
evaluate.
No, please.
She'll still
You
go to your
guys said
mom's.
she'll go to my mom.
We will.
So why,
Okay.
please?
But right
why?
now, I'm not lying. Right now, we have to figure the rest of this out, okay?
I understand.
Do you need to be checked out? It was a really bad crash.
The first legal decision in this footage saves lives. The officer refuses to cross live power lines until utility confirms they are dead. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1989, officer conduct is judged by objective reasonableness based on facts known. Approaching live high-voltage lines is potentially fatal. The decision to wait is policy-compliant and life-preserving. Now consider the stop itself. Under Terry versus Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, officers may detain a person on reasonable, articulable suspicion of crime. A vehicle in a ditch, a car seat inside, a driver walking away. The detention is constitutionally sound. The moment alcohol is detected, reasonable suspicion ripens into probable cause for DUI. From that point, every question, every test, every observation builds the case.
I'm fine.
You're okay? So
Yeah.
how much were you drinking tonight?
I don't know. It was my best friend Chloe's birthday.
Okay.
And then we got into a fight. She should kick me out.
Okay.
And so I left.
Okay.
And I was heading home. And
Do you want to do any voluntary field sobriety tests to see how intoxicated you are and if you were impaired while driving?
I mean, I feel like I could pass them, but whatever.
That's why I asked you the question. Do you want to do voluntary field sobriety tests? This officer's going to run you through a couple tests real quick.
I honestly don't know what happened.
Don't know what happened?
I don't know. I just
Okay.
remember I was driving, and then whatever happened. I'm like, I need to get my daughter home. I just need to get her home.
Yeah.
And whatever happens to me, whatever happens.
I got it.
But I just need her to get home.
This is the best way to make sure she's okay, all right? It's a significant crash. We've seen
Yeah,
a lot of these things.
I know.
We have to make sure,
Yeah.
okay?
Yes.
All right. Thank you for all this.
William, 28.
I'm going to call Leanna right now. I want you to talk to these officers,
Yeah.
and they're going to run
Do
you through
whatever
those
you
tests,
do with
okay?
me. I don't give a shit. Just please.
I have
make
not
sure
first
my
realized,
daughter
Officer
goes
Lee.
to my
I'm going to deal with
mom.
this part. Thank you.
Please make sure she goes to my mom.
I'm going to go do that right now. Please talk to Officer Lee, okay? Hey, this is Lieutenant Durrell with the Federal Police Department. Your daughter was just walking her house. I didn't actually catch her name, but she's got your granddaughter here too, right? We're on 312. Your daughter is likely going to be arrested for DUI, but your granddaughter seems to be in good health from the accident, and we would love to give her to you to keep her in a safe, warm place tonight. You have to leave your daughter alone. Okay, leave your daughter alone and just come to the fire rig, please, so you can get your granddaughter, okay? Fantastic, thank you. Grandma lives at the pickleball courts, should be here really soon. She's pretty damn drunk, so she's gonna get arrested.
Okay, do you understand your instructions?
I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead and begin.
Go. One. One. Two. Woo. 3. 4.
Okay, go ahead and relax. Okay, so now we're going to do the one-legged stand. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay, you may begin. Keep your arms at your side. Arms down at your side.
Down.
Down at your side. There you go, just like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, you can put your foot down.
I feel like I have shitty balance. I'd be wobbly whether or not I was sober or not, you know what I mean? So
Okay. Go ahead, place your hands behind your back for me, ma'am.
We have one in custody, DUI.
Now, 3 legal frameworks converge at the breath test. First, implied consent. By driving on public roads, every motorist consents to chemical testing on lawful DUI arrest. Second, under Birchfield versus North Dakota, 579 U.S. 438, 2016, warrantless breath tests incident to DUI arrest are constitutional. Blood tests are not. Third, under South Dakota versus Neville, 459 U.S. 553, 1983, refusing a chemical test is admissible as evidence at trial. The suspect blew 0.18, more than double the legal limit in every state. Now the child endangerment charge sharpens. Most state codes criminalize knowingly, placing a minor in circumstances likely to produce serious harm, a BAC over twice the legal limit, a toddler in the car seat, a utility pole struck, a walk away from the scene. The charge is not aggressive, it is necessary.
We have code 4.
Okay, ma'am, we're going to go to the back of this car up here. Okay, go here. Yep, your mom already came and picked her up. Go ahead, face this flag for me. Yep, she took her. Yep. Go ahead, face this flag for me right there, just like that, okay? Stay right there for my partner. All right, go ahead, hop in the back of this car for me. So right now we're going to go to the station, and we're going to do the breath machine.
Oh, it's not you, but the police. The police. It's my daughter. What else is the sign?
Yeah, right. If you decide to waive those rights, okay. Okay.
Do you know how much my bill is?
I don't know. So I need just one nice steady breath, okay? So just deep breath in. And then like you're blowing up a balloon, right? Just
Yeah, I
nice
have
and
to hold my nose in really
no,
fast, or
no.
Is that hell no?
Don't worry, I have tissues. We can do that here in a second. All right. I'm going to tell you when to stop. Go ahead. And I'll try to coach you as you go. No, too hard. Too hard. Steady breath. Good, good, good. Keep going. Keep going. Great. Doing great. Good job. Good job. Keep going as long as you can. Good. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, stop. There you go. Yeah, it was a little aggressive on the first start.
It was, okay.
Alright, ready? You guys sit down for me? And then just like last time. Yep. Big breath and then nice and gentle, continuous flow. A little softer. There you go. Keep going. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
That was hard. Holy shit.
Gotta do it again. I'm sorry. I know. Okay, ready? Don't let it time out on you. Good. Just like that. Keep going. A little softer. There you go. Better. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Take a breath. Take a breath. Blow. A little softer. There you go. Nice steady blow. Keep going. Doing great, almost there. Okay, stop. Take a breath. Okay, blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop.
Did it work?
Looks like it did so far.
So what is it?
What did you?
What did it
The
blow?
results?
Yeah.
0.18 and 0.17.
Motherfucker.
Now we evaluate every action against established law. The lieutenant earns an A tactical empathy of the highest order. Power line restraint. Calm de-escalation against a resistant medical trained suspect. Smooth handover of the child to the grandmother. Textbook field sobriety phrasing. The suspect earns an F. The grade here is determined by what brought officers to the scene, not what came after. For citizens, the math is simple. 0.08 is the legal limit. 0.18 is more than double. There is no "I feel fine" that survives a breath machine. If you have been drinking, the only safe number of miles to drive is 0. For parents, driving impaired with a child in the vehicle elevates the offense in nearly every state. Some jurisdictions impose mandatory jail for first offense DUI with a minor passenger. Find the rideshare. Wake the grandmother. Stay where you are. Do you agree with these grades? Drop your reasoning in the comments. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns. And remember, every interaction is governed by law.